Hey guys, Andrew here, and today I'm going to be giving my thoughts about the gear shift. Alright, so here's the puzzle. In case you don't already know how it works, it can turn as a whole like this because of all these gears, or you can pull it apart like that and only turn half of it at a time. You can do that on all of the axes. It's not too difficult to solve because of how easy it is to isolate just 4 pieces rather than having to turn all 8. So as I said, it's not too difficult to solve this. I'll go ahead and do that now. I'm rather slow at this puzzle. I don't use it very often because it can get a little bit hard to pull apart, as you can see. But anyway, there it is, solved. My only complaint about this cube is that this happens. As you can see, this is the only piece that's incorrect, and it's 1 gear away from being solved. And this is actually not even possible to solve. And the reason this happens is because one of these axes will come apart halfway, and another one will. Whoops. And when you do that, it's possible to flip this. So you can use that to actually solve it, but it's sort of difficult. So yeah, when that happens, it's pretty annoying, and that's part of the reason I don't use this very much anymore. There, I think I've got it. Oh yeah, so as you can see now it's solved. So while that's my only complaint about this cube, really, it's a cool puzzle. I just don't suggest it if you want something that's really easy to just pick up and use. But anyway, that's all I have to say. I'll see you on my next video. Today I'm going to be